One more thing, probably.
What do you want?
I don't know.
Corn dog?
Maybe.
Make sure that's a couple corn dogs.
Yeah. That'd be cool if I could live stream Papa Joey singing. Stream it? Angie, do you know where to find it?
What?
A DS card?
No, just buy one and I don't have one.
But do you know where to buy one?
I guess you can buy them about anywhere, but I ain't really sure.
Did you put a sticker on it?
No, somebody did.
Well, Angie, if I had a video camera, you could actually video that machine making ice.
Good,
And people would wonder why. How it makes the ice. Butter toast? What kind of breakfast is this? Oh. Yeah. What flavor is this? Can you make this juice at home? There's this guy that makes music, Angie. There's this guy that makes music. He's blind and he still plays, Angie.
Really?
Yeah. He's got a lot of YouTube shorts. And then after 3 years, he finally streamed again.
Really?
Yeah, a month ago. I mean, I could set a pin code up on here, but I don't know if I would remember it. Well, Angie, did you know that?
What?
To secure all your passwords, you have to have a pin code on your phone.
Do you?
You have to secure them. That makes sense because your phone has to be secured for all your passwords. Huh?
Yeah.
That's the only way to secure it is passwords. Would you want to buy me a video camera one day?
Maybe someday.
Mama got me a little tiny one, and it got lost somewhere.
Huh.
I don't know where I put it. I lost it. It was a tiny camera. It was a jazz camera. Well, Angie, it was a jazz camera, and it had a little tiny screen on it. It shows you where, like, you know, like, what are you doing on there? Like, what are you videoing? Air fryer. Well, Angie, did you know?
What?
If you had a little cord thing, you could actually plug it into your, like, camera, your, video camera, and live stream on it. Huh?
Yeah, I don't do live stream.
Mama said I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see you go live. Me. So that means do shorts, live streams, and YouTube needs to add another option for videos. It's probably time now.